Hello everyone, welcome to IIBF. In this video, we shall discuss some important questions from Abfm Module A, Chapter 3, that is the chapter on organization. So let us begin with the questions. The first question says, which of the following does not constitute a part of the process of organizing? So we'll go through the options. Option A, establishing reporting relationships. Option B, determining who will be responsible for a particular activity. Option C, that is specializing. And option D, dividing and assigning work. So if we see the options, option A, B, and D invariably are the part and process of organizing. However, option C, that is specializing, has nothing to do with organizing. We go to question number 2, which reads, part of this process involves organizing the activities into categories according to the procedure line, product lines. Option A, functional structure. Option B, the divisional hierarchy. Option C, organization with official standing. And option D, an unofficial grouping or organization. The correct answer here is the divisional hierarchy. Let's go to the next question. Question number 3. It is possible to delegate decision-making power to individuals at lower levels. This is known as A. Assignment of responsibility, B. Centralization, option number C. Decentralization, or D. None of the above. The correct answer here is option number C, that is decentralization. The opposite of which would be centralization, which means all the powers lie rested in the hands of one person. Question number 4. The expression of span of management refers to option number A, the scope of manager's duties and responsibilities. Option number B, the responsibility of a manager. Option number C, the maximum number of direct subordinates that can be effectively managed by a single supervisor. Or option number D, that is none of the above. The correct answer here also would be option number C. Now, why is it so? The maximum number of direct subordinates that can be effectively managed by a single supervisor will mean or refer to the expression that is the span of management. Basically, how many people can be controlled by the management is what this question is all about. Question number 5. When we talk about centralization, we mean option number A, the preservation of one's right to make decisions. Well, from here we don't need to go to the rest of the options, but since we have to attempt the examination in an MCQ based format, we should be in the habit of going through all the options, which is why we'll be going through. Option number B, extending into new territories. Option number C, the division of categorization of different levels. Or option number D, the spread of decision making power throughout the organization. Now, in question number 3 also we had seen that centralization means all the powers to take decisions rests with one person is what centralization would mean. So we can very well go with the option number A, but just to ensure that we hit the correct option, we should go through all the options because we might find that one option is more right, even though there are two options that are similar, but one option encompasses the question properly. So that is the option that we should attempt. That's all for the video. Thank you and have a good day.